God. I'm starting to get the George Jefferson look. Okay, boys, fresh out of the shower. And the first thing I'm gonna do is do something with this mane, what I have left. As I said in the intro, it's starting to get to that George Jefferson look. And it's just not a good look. All right, so I'm gonna be using today this Cremo Barber grade polish. All right, not polish from my beard, polish from my head. It's hairstyling pomade. Gives you nice hold and nice shine. If you look at it, it's just this beautiful, warm look about it. So it's fun to use. I'll take just a little bit of that. I've got wet hair from the shower. I'll smooth it into both hands. I'll pull it back through the George Jefferson mane. Very, very subtle, musky fragrance, but great hold and great shine all day long. Gets me instantly, transports me out of the 70s and into today's look. Cremo, I'll leave a link for this in the description box below, as well as all the products that I'm covering today that you can get off Amazon. Now, for many of the products today, you're gonna have to go to Walgreens.
That's just how you have to do it.
Because I'm gonna be covering the King C Gillette line of beard care products. I had a viewer just the other day ask me to do a review of this, so I'm here to oblige. And I've already done a couple of reviews of this, but it's perfect, makes perfect sense. Beard care products. So we're gonna be looking at their double-edged razor, specifically designed to trim your beard, or marketed that way. It's a beautiful, hefty razor, nice and heavy, lots of knurling up here, so it's slip resistant, but it's a nicely designed razor. If you can pick that up at Walgreens, guys. The next thing I'm gonna be showing you is just an absolute mainstay for me. It's King C Gillette's Beard and Face Wash with coconut water. This stuff is the bomb. I usually apply this in the shower. For you guys, I'll wash my face again. Because when you're growing your beard, you like to keep the beard nice and clean, right? Multiple times a day. It's gentle enough for that. Provides a nice smell, and it's dynamite, guys. The next ingredient for the shave today, my boy Mark Fuentes. He told me, bam, transparent shave gel. I never had a use for transparent shave gel. I was like, what? It doesn't look good on camera. It doesn't foam up like we like. This is for beard men. When you're looking today, and today we're gonna be eliminating that layer of neck hair, trying to build the outline for this beard, you do that with transparent shave gel. And this King C Gillette transparent shave gel, just like the other products, very, very nice. Nice smell, goes on great, gives good protection. Yes! Now, I've been looking for their beard oil, but every time I go into a Walgreens, all the King C Gillette stuff is gone. It's gone. So guys, if you want some of this, and I'll look again on Amazon, but I don't think they're there yet. If you want some of these products, you gotta get over to Walgreens. So without further ado, let's get cracking on the shave. Again, I've just jumped out of the shower, but I'll show you a little bit of the pre-shave routine. I'm gonna wet my face with warm water, almost hot water, guys, but you don't wanna go hot because you don't wanna damage your skin. But the warmer the water, the more it helps open the pores, get the steam going. So that's what we'll do first. You know the drill, just a little bit, sort of like a pearlescent look to it. Oh, just the smell, guys, is heavenly. Oh, it's heavenly. It's great for a Sunday shave. It puts you in a relaxed state. I want to send a shout out to my boys. The boys that stood up and shaved in for the average guy. That's my boy Chris, the Geek of Shaves. The Geek of Shaves. And my man Stan from Pacific Shaving Company. Because those boys did a great stand-in for me, both of them, in their own right. And I can't thank you guys enough. I've got invitations out to other guest shavers. But those two boys stepped up real quick. All right, what do you want me to do? Bang! I got the video. You know who you are. Come on, bruh. I can't shave every day. I'm growing a beard. Oh no, I didn't press record. All right, so the next step. Now I've been told this by my boy, Mo, the Egyptian dude. I'd never really grown a full beard, guys. But my buddy kept saying,
Come on, bruh. Grow the beard. You look great in a beard. You got the great foundation for a beard. I want a beard. I'm like,
beard? What's up with this dude in the beard? So he told me, though, because he's a beard expert, that if you want to grow a real full beard, that you need to leave the hair longer. You can't just cut it here, which is the way I would typically do it. You have to leave a sort of a circle or a band of hair under there so the beard can get full. So that's what we're gonna try to do today. And I say try, I've never done this before. Maybe I'll use a little foam to cover the area I don't want to shave. How about that, guys? This is Gillette Foam Mousse, my favorite. I'm gonna try something new. So I don't wanna cut here. I don't wanna cut there, 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 there. I want to leave that. How you like that, Mo? You see the area where I'm saving myself? Sort of like when you're painting and you put that masking tape up. And then I'm gonna apply some of this transparent, some of this King C transparent shave gel designed for styling. I like that. I love these products, guys. It's clear. And it just provides that protective barrier between you or your blade and your skin. And for subsequent shaves, once the beard gets a little longer, you'll be able to feel the area better. So you'll just shave till you get to the resistance of hair. For this first shave out of the gate, we're gonna try it this way. Now, hair on my neck grows upwards, guys. And the hair on your neck can grow in many different directions. I like to go with the grain of the hair on the first pass. So since the majority of my hair grows upward, I'm gonna turn my blade upside down and shave upward. Now with a safety razor, you wanna use a 35-degree angle, thereabouts. You wanna use short strokes. And you wanna take your time and let the device or the weight of the device do all the work here. Keep the blade clean. And again, I'm just taking this up to that initial foam mark, and we'll see how that looks. Is it even? And I'm taking my time here, guys, because one mistake and you really kind of ruin the whole process, because you want to be neat. I'm doing this to look neat. I call this the ugly duckling phase, when the hair is just, you know. But a lot of people love this look. They say, stop right here. I'm going to try to grow this out for a month. We'll see what happens. A month, month and a half. We'll see if I like it. Let's go with pass number 2. Now I think I'm confident that I have a line in the sand, or a line on my neck. I want to see if I like this line. Is it too long? Should I trim it up a little? I don't know. I sort of look a little bit like Wolverine. Maybe come up slightly. So let's do that. I'm gonna come up just a little bit. There. A little bit more of my shave gel to protect myself. Let's continue up with this, shaving with the grain. I'm gonna get 1 or 2 lines closer. I think that looks a little better for my taste. Let me know, guys, for you folks that put on the beard, did I cut this too short or did I do it pretty good? This is what I love about YouTube, guys. You know, you can learn lots from people. Let's get rid of that foam. So I've got it a little longer. I've got it longer down here, and I'm pleased with that. So now we're gonna go to the second and third passes. The second pass will be an across grain pass. So we'll go across the grain of the hair on our neck, and we'll finish it up with an against the grain pass. So let's get cooking. And now we're going all transparent gel. Now I can really work it in. Great smell, guys, these products. They're not heavy on fragrance, but they just smell good though. It's man style. All right, cross grain pass. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna be mindful of the line I've created. I'm not even getting that close to it. And I'm just gliding across the neck. Oh, that feels good though. I've heated up the razor with some warm water. So before Gillette had its heated razor, the electronic version, this was the heated razor, guys. You put this DE under some heated water, and it feels great with every stroke. Or cold water, for that matter. Now Gillette's heated razor doesn't have an ice razor. So old school, sometimes old. Sometimes the old design is better. Third and final pass, guys. I don't even have to reload. I've got a nice oily base here, and this will be the against the grain pass. Now we're gonna be going with the against the grain pass. If the hair is growing up, you're gonna use the traditional handle grip and shave down. Again, I'm not getting close to that line. I've already established that line in the first 2 passes. I have a pronounced Adam's apple trick. If you want to remove it from play while you're shaving, you swallow hard and hold it. It takes the Adam's apple, it sort of retracts it, and you can shave straight down. So let's do that. We're gonna swallow hard and hold it. And that takes the apple out of play. Look at that. Nice. So now I'll splash off with some cold water. That'll close the pores, and then we'll get ready for the aftershave. I'm gonna give my boy a plug, Mr. Stan from Pacific Shaving Company. This caffeinated aftershave and caffeinated shaving cream, they're the bomb. I would use this for my next shave or any shave, guys, but I'm gonna use the caffeinated aftershave. Guys, great products, great company, great mission, great guy. So Stan, I wanna thank you again for being a guest host. If you want to see the guest host videos, I'll leave links in the description box below so you can check those boys out. Both did great shaves in their own right. And I'm hoping Stan will reconsider, because he said he wasn't ever doing a shaving review again, but I think he should, especially when you own a men's grooming products, company, and you're a good looking guy. The world deserves to see more of you, Stan. Get over to Pacific Shaving's website. I'll leave a link in the description box below, and support my boy Stan. Also, get over to the Geek of Shaves YouTube channel if you haven't already, and support my man Chris, and get your geek on. All right, guys, here you go. End result. I'm really pleased with it. I've smoothed out the mane. I've smoothed out the beard. I'm looking presentable now. I'm ready to go tackle Sunday. And you should get out and tackle Sunday too. Have a great day. I'll see you guys next time, which will probably be like tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, you know what to do, guys. You know what to do. I'm not even going to say it today.